Welcome to Compare to Win. The best AirDoctor filters is probably one of the most crucial investments you can make for maintaining pristine indoor air quality, ensuring your family breathes cleaner, healthier air free from allergens, pollutants, and odors, making regular replacement an absolute necessity for optimal performance and peace of mind in your home environment. Number 5. LUNINO HEPA Air Purifier. This powerful air purifier is designed for expansive areas, effectively cleaning rooms up to 2,400 square feet. It ensures fresh, clean air throughout your entire home. Equipped with a true HEPA air filter, it captures 99.97% of airborne particles. This advanced system ensures a healthier environment for you and your family. Featuring PM 2.5 display and air quality sensors, it provides real-time insights into your indoor environment. You'll always be aware of the air you're breathing. Experience an added layer of comfort with its built-in aromatherapy feature. Simply add your favorite essential oils for a pleasant and relaxing atmosphere. It effectively removes dust, smoke, pet dander, and hair from the air. This device also tackles pollen, providing relief for allergy sufferers. What we like. This unit stands out with its impressive coverage and integrated aromatherapy. It also offers real-time air quality feedback. If you have a very large space and appreciate a multifunctional device that enhances your environment, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source JSON was empty. Number 4. AirDoctor AD3500 Genuine Replacement Filters. Ensure peak performance for your AD3000 or AD3500 unit with these genuine replacement filters. They are guaranteed to maintain the quality and efficiency you expect, effectively removing smoke and harmful gases. This combo pack provides a full year of high-performance filtration. It includes one UltraHEPA filter, replaced annually, and 2 premium carbon VOC filters, changed every 6 months, for continuous clean air. Changing these filters is simple and quick. Just remove the old one, insert the new, and reset your device's filter light to enjoy up to a year of fresh, purified air. Our premium carbon VOC filters are crafted with activated carbon and potassium permanganate. They actively absorb and break down airborne chemicals like formaldehyde and benzene, setting a new standard for purity. Don't just mask unpleasant smells, eliminate them completely. These filters absorb and break down odors, ensuring your home always smells genuinely fresh and clean. Our commitment to quality is recognized, with awards from Newsweek, Green Matters, and Scary Mommy. Each component is thoughtfully designed to provide you with ultimate peace of mind. Invest in genuine filters to save money and protect your unit. They are third-party tested and certified for maximum efficiency, unlike aftermarket alternatives that may compromise performance. What we like. This replacement filter is specifically designed to tackle odors and harmful gases. It uses premium activated carbon and potassium permanganate for effective breakdown. If you are concerned about smoke, cooking smells, or airborne chemicals, this filter is ideal for maintaining fresh air. What people say. Number 3. AirDoctor AD3500 UltraHEPA Replacement Filter. This genuine AirDoctor UltraHEPA filter is designed specifically for your AD3000 and AD3500 models. It ensures your air purifier continues to deliver exceptional performance. It captures 99.99% of airborne particles as small as 0.003 microns, which is 100 times smaller than the HEPA standard. This helps reduce dust, smoke, pollen, and pet dander in your home. Manufactured in Japan, this filter guarantees reliability and superior performance. It's crafted to give you peace of mind with every breath. Replacing it is incredibly easy. Just detach the cover, insert the new one, reset the filter light, and enjoy up to a year of fresh, clean air. Don't let airborne irritants cause poor sleep or stuffy noses. This filter helps improve your daily routine by providing a healthier indoor environment. For optimal performance, always choose genuine AirDoctor replacement filters. They are specifically designed to work seamlessly with your AD3500 unit. What we like. This filter provides superior particle capture, going beyond standard HEPA. It's proven to remove 99.99% of particles as small as 0.003 microns. If you suffer from severe allergies, asthma, or want the absolute best in particulate removal, this is the filter for you. What people say. Number 2. PuroAir 240 HEPA Air Purifiers. Experience a breath of fresh air in your home. This powerful device is designed to purify spaces up to 1,000 square feet, ensuring a healthier environment for you and your pets. It features a robust HEPA filter combined with carbon tech, which is up to 500 times stronger than standard carbon filters. This dual-action system effectively captures allergens, pet dander, and odors. Don't wait for clean air. It works quickly to remove airborne pollutants, providing you with fresh air in no time. Enjoy a noticeable difference in air quality almost instantly. With intelligent auto and sleep modes, it adapts to your needs. In sleep mode, it operates silently, ensuring undisturbed rest while still purifying your air. Whether it's your bedroom, office, or dorm room, this versatile air cleaner fits seamlessly. Its compact design and powerful performance make it ideal for various personal and shared spaces. If you have pets, you know the struggle with dander and odors. This purifier is specifically designed to tackle pet-related allergens, keeping your home fresh and clean for everyone. What we like. This purifier combines HEPA with an advanced carbon tech filter for powerful purification. It's designed for quick air cleaning and offers convenient auto and sleep modes. If you need rapid air purification in a bedroom or office and value smart, quiet operation, this unit is a great fit. What people say. Number 1. BLUEAIR BluePure 211 iMax Smart Air Purifier. Experience cleaner air with our latest innovation. This smart air purifier is designed to enhance your home environment. It's perfect for expansive areas, purifying rooms up to 3,235 square feet. Enjoy fresh air throughout your entire space. Utilizing advanced HEPA silent technology, it efficiently captures airborne particles. This ensures a healthier atmosphere for you and your family. Say goodbye to common irritants like pet dander, allergens, smoke, and dust. It works tirelessly to remove them from your air. With built-in Wi-Fi and an intelligent auto mode, it adapts to your needs. You can easily control it from anywhere, ensuring optimal performance. Despite its powerful performance, it operates with remarkable quietness. You'll barely notice it's there, providing peace and clean air. What we like. This purifier boasts an incredible coverage area and features innovative HEPA silent technology for quiet yet effective cleaning. It also includes smart Wi-Fi connectivity and auto mode. If you have an exceptionally large open-plan living space and prioritize quiet, smart, and powerful filtration, this is your top contender. What people say. No review content available for extraction. No review content available for extraction. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.